Okay, in this video I'm going to show you what I like to do when I first install WordPress. The first 5 things that I will do. So, okay, you've just installed WordPress, you've been handed the keys, you've logged into the admin area, and here we are. Here's the dashboard area. Probably the very first thing I like to do is just clean this dashboard up. I don't care to read about the latest version of WordPress. Also, just a little pet hate of mine is the WordPress events and news. Most of us won't be going to any of those. So if you press the little screen options button up here, you can just see that you can turn basically any of this stuff off. You can decide what you really, what you might want there. The very next thing I'll do is I'll go down to settings and I'll go to general. Unfortunately, there's too many websites up online with a title, my blog and my WordPress blog. This is the very first overlooked step. You've got to put the title, so if your company was here, my building company, and we build great homes, let's say. That's your tagline. Now this is what's going to appear on the first page as the title of the home page, and also when you do a Google search, this will be what's up in blue and highlighted. Number 3 will be, I'll go down here to the time zone. Very important, especially if you're doing anything that, if you're posting blogs or if you're going to run e-commerce, you want to change this to your time zone. Here we are here in Brisbane. You can decide if any of this is what you want to change, but very important, I change that. Yeah, that brings us to step 4, which would be, I would then look at installing the theme. So the theme I talk about in a lot of my other videos, and the theme that I recommend is the Divi theme. For this example here, I'm just going to show you an array of what WordPress just has out of the box that you can have a look through. So I press add new, and then I can scroll through here. I mean, out of the box, you're already in a theme, you'll be in the latest theme. But let's say maybe I like this one, details and preview. I can click on it and just have a look at what some of the pages are going to look like, and sure, let's install that one. So it might take a few moments because it's going to install a few images and things with it. Once I press activate, it will be the theme that my website is now using. Now, any of these other themes, you can delete those if you want to do that. You just click on them, and then there's the delete button down the bottom, and that will then remove that theme. If you did decide, oh, hang on, maybe I wanted that one, you can of course go back into add theme and find it back in here. Now, customizing your theme is a whole different thing. The very next step I will do is I will venture into plugins. I will install a maintenance mode plugin, because right now our website looks like this. My building company, hello world, and anyone around the world who has the URL could access this. So I really want to put a more friendly message up there and talk about, website under construction or something like that. Now, believe it or not, WordPress doesn't come with something like that out of the box. So I will venture into the plugins area. I will press add new. I will search for maintenance. Now, there's quite a few out there. Some nag you more than others. This one I've used, this one I've used. Yeah, I quite like the Seed Prod one, although, they do hound you a little bit for going to their premium version. So then I just press activate, and I'll see over on the left here, well, actually it takes us straight to a guided tour through it, but let's just go back to that manually. So yeah, it's added Seed Prod here, which gives you the option of coming soon mode or a maintenance mode. Let's set up our coming soon page here, and look at all these fantastic templates. I mean, yeah, you've got to subscribe to unlock to most of them. Look, more often than not, I'm just going to click this one here, the coming soon page, and you can make simple. You could change your logo. You could add your logo here. simply by clicking that and clicking the image to change that. Coming soon, and put your custom message there. You click there, you press save. If I press the little X, it's not activated yet. Is done just by this toggle active. So now when I view my page while I'm logged in, I will see this. But if I am looking at my page on a browser, I will now see this if I'm not logged in. Okay, that's the first 5 steps. There's more plugins I would install. I'm going to create a separate video about the first 5 plugins I would install. If you would like to see that, yeah, let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.